Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely Ford Transit Custom Limited. Now this is finished in magnetic grey, which was one of the best colours for these vans. Obviously it's not a standard van, it's fully kitted out with a sort of MSRT style body kit, which looks absolutely ace. So let's have a look around it. So front grille, we've got the Ford Raptor style front grille. They're quite rare to find those. Nice aggressive lower splitter with diffusers. Front and rear parking sensors on this one. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front fog lamps, and then we're riding on these MSRT style alloy wheels. These are 18-inch finished in body colour, which look absolutely ace, riding on nice tyres. Looking down the side of the van, you can tell it's been well looked after. It's not been used as a works van. It is a crew cab as well, so you've got the added seating in the back, so comfortable seating for free there. As you can tell, all the seats are in nice order, all the carpets are in nice order, and then looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. Now when I say this van's had light use, if you have a look in the back, we're all ply lined. We've got slip resistance floors, metal bulkhead, we've got the spotlights in the top as well. But as you can tell, all the ply lining, absolutely superb. Looking at the actual flooring, you can't crib it. It's a very, very nice van. Drive superb as well. Obviously, it's only covered minimal miles, so just over 28,000 miles. We've got roof bars, we've got lower diffuser, we've got a nice sporty spoiler on there as well. Extended side skirts, so it's a very aggressive looking van. And then gloss black mirror caps just to finish it off. Now inside, cloth, sport seats, contrasting grey stitch. Vehicle is supplied with both keys. Obviously another rare feature is this is an automatic, so drive absolutely superb. As we're doing the video, we've covered 28,533 miles. So we've just switched the van on. As you can tell, no lights on the dashboard there, that's all superb. You've got your trip computer on there, so speedometer at the moment, cruise control, speed limiter, voice command, volume and media controls, automatic lights. We've got full DAB radio, mobile phone, apps as well, and then you've got all your settings, so Ford Pass Connect, Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi, and much more. Heated front screen, heated front seats, winters round the corner, absolutely fantastic for that. Obviously through the gearbox you've got manual mode, allowing you to drive the vehicle manually. Parking brakes down there, 12 volt power outlet, USB. But then inside, doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any damp, doesn't smell of dogs or pets. You can tell it's a nice example. So anything further, give us a call. Phone number is 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.